Ready na kami guys and alas 3 pa lang. Yung flight namin is alas 9 pero early bird na kami. Ayun. Miling sa pare. Nagsiligo lahat. Oh, yung mga... Ayan, alis na kami guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Tito Del Yung. Bye-bye. Ingat ka ka rin. Tayo pang tayo. Iyak kasi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, mother. Kaya ka maaga.
Aling madalong doon.
Young woman sitting in wheelchair. That's why you are wearing mask.
And ate here. Ate. Hi ka ate. Ate here is helping. Lang naman yung gate, so hindi na ako nagpa-wheelchair dito guys. So pupunta na kami doon and then 7 hours muna naman.
We could have catch the train today.
Hi everyone! So, paalis na po kami. Ayan, si Kuya Milan nyo. Inaayos na yung mga bagahe. Milan, you're fixing all the baggages?
Yes.
So, nag-ready na kami guys. And alas 3 pa lang. Yung flight namin is alas 9. Pero early bird na kami kasi ayaw namin ma-rush. And hindi natin alam kung traffic ba sa Manila. So, ayun. Balitaan ko kayo sa mga kaganapan later. Milan. Ayun guys, naalis na yung mga bagahe. Ano, paalam na mga kaibigan. Bye guys.
No more
wala
live
na
selling.
No live selling
manonood
na.
pa din kayo.
Ayun. Miling sa pare. Nagsiligo lahat oh, yung mga towel, hugasan yan. Good morning, Tito.
Ay, mag-double ko pang good morning.
Aalis na po kami. Oh, I will go and say bye-bye to Tito dito. Bye-bye, Tito. Bye-bye po.
Imingat kayo.
Ako. Ayan, alis na kami guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Tito Del Yung, si Claude. Muna na kami po. Doc Milan is going out now. Milan, you say bye-bye to Tito. Bless. Tito Del Yung. Tito Del Yung.
Hello.
Ayan guys, it's time to leave. Okay. Hello po sir, good morning po. Ayan guys, aalis na po tayo. Mother, we are leaving na. Ayan, inaalis na nila yung mga bagahe. Meron tayong kasama dito si Sir Robin Candelaria assisting us. Thank you po. Dito, si Claude. Muna na kami po.
Take care ha.
Dan. Bye-bye. Ayan sir, hello po. Thank you po sir. Tara na. Bye-bye.
Huwag na daw. I-chat nyo na ako mo nung yari na kayo na.
Say bye-bye na to, Papa. Bye-bye pa. Ano, dyan. Bye-bye pa. Bye-bye. Ingat ka ka rin. Tayo pang tayo. Huwag umiiyak kasi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye, mother. Kaya ka maaga.
Aling madalong doon.
Bye-bye. Tara na. Let's go. Bye-bye, guys. Let's go. Tara.
Okay, Milan, you go. Bye, Kat. Kat. Kat.
Pregnancy
Face mask, very good.
Talo, bye-bye, ma. Ingat. Kat, bye-bye. O, sige na. Bye-bye.
Wala na.
Let's go. Yes, he's riding the wheelchair right now.
And you are feeling very shy
I am
because you
shy.
are the only young woman sitting in wheelchair. That's why you are wearing mask because you don't want to show your face.
But
Ma'am.
it's needed.
Ma'am, are you disabled?
So, ayan guys, finally nakalabas na tayo sa immigration. And ate here, ate. Hi ka, ate. Ate here is helping us. And very smooth lang, especially kapag meron kang assistance nga. Kasi si ate talaga is the one who assisted us from the very beginning. And also Sir Robin Candelaria.
Sir, you first or then you eat and then
Ayan, it's
You go
gonna
down na
be
first or
3
you
hours
go
waiting
outside? You
still.
around this?
Kasi ano lang,
No.
6:18 na, 9:30 pa yung flight. So, ayan, we are just looking for the food. Kung ano ba yung kakainin natin.
Oo, sige, bibigyan kita ng
Merong, merong Coffee Express, Starbucks, Subway. So, dito yung eating area. Let's go and check. Yan lang, te.
meron siyang pizza, may siomay, meron
Ito.
siopaw, may mga
Okay.
kanin siya, meron siyang mga mga tapas.
Opo. Ay, dito. Meron pa dito.
Wala na dyan.
Wala na dito.
Dito lang dito.
Okay. Ayan yung mga pagkain, guys. May food court tayo dito.
Yan, may mga pasta.
Hi guys, so naghihintay na kami ngayon dito sa may boarding gate namin. Good morning. What are we gonna do?
3 hours still.
That's the problem. We
You
still
sleep
have
na.
3 hours, so we are planning to
You
sleep.
sleep here na.
Pinaalis na namin yung nag-aano ng wheelchair, guys, kasi para makapag-help siya sa iba, since we are just gonna wait here for 3 hours. So we just asked him to go, no problem.
Car to go.
So we are just gonna spend time here,
Very early
and
morning,
then
guys.
we'll be going to Singapore, at least 3 hours flight,
Yep.
and then we'll directly go to India after 5 hours of layover.
And then
And
from
then-
India, next day we have train to going to
So,
our
yeah.
place.
The reason why we took the
Train.
wheelchair. The reason why we asked for wheelchair assistance is because I cannot walk that much, right?
Yeah.
That's why.
You cannot walk, you cannot stand, you cannot do anything that will stress your uterus.
So that's the reason why meron tayong wheelchair, guys. So in Singapore also, they will give us
She is
also
very
wheelchair.
shy to take wheelchair,
Very
but
shy.
it's very necessary right now.
Ayun lang. I will update you for the rest of the trip. We'll see you later. Ayan guys, we are boarding na. Let's go. Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa my lounge and nakaupo lang ako. Gusto ko sanang humiga, kaya lang hinihintay ko itong mga tao dito guys. Meron silang snooze lounge dito. Walang tumatayo, kaya nakatapat ako para kapag merong tumayo, larga na tayo, punta na tayo, palitan natin sila. Pakita ko sila sa inyo. Dito sa may area na to, ayun, meron silang snooze lounge and puno yan, puno talaga. Naghihintay lang kami ni Milan. Milan, how many minutes we've been waiting? 10 minutes. We have at least 7 hours here. We have at least 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours of layover. So we are just waiting. Hello guys, Milan.
Hello.
Our stopover is finished na. So
And now
yung
we are
layover
going
namin.
already for next flight.
Yung layover namin at least 5 hours, if I'm not
5:30.
mistaken. 5.5.
5.5
So, pupunta na kami sa gate namin. Malapit lang naman yung gate, so hindi na ako nagpa-wheelchair dito, guys. So, pupunta na kami doon and then uupo na naman and magwe-wait na naman kami para sa boarding time. So, ayun. Guys, finally we are here at
Mumbai Airport and pagod na pagod ako, guys.
So, dito rin sa Mumbai Airport, guys, meron kaming wheelchair assistance. So, hindi kami masyadong natagalan, no? We cut most of the lane because of the wheelchair assistance. So, we are
I shouldn't be
waiting.
even complaining because of you. Even I got lane cut.
Kasi
Otherwise, I
kasama
would
ko
be
siya.
still standing in immigration lane.
But it's very, very long way na from the airplane up until the immigration. So, it's good thing we took the wheelchair. So, we are just waiting for Kajal Foy and the
Car to
husband
come.
and the car to come. Otherwise, we are already set to go and then we'll stay there sa bahay nila for a while.
Tomorrow we have long train ride.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be meeting Mommy and Papa and Jano. So, not today. Today will be rest time for us. Because we still have at least 6-7 hours. We are still 7 hours
Actually,
away from home.
we could have catch the train today only.
Nana, it's very agruel for both of us. Because we
Maybe
have
12 o'clock
Dorwanuche.
train. Sir. The
Pandorwanuche.
today's train was 12 o'clock. No, we could have catch it.
But we are gonna be very, very tired.
No, well, very tired, but tomorrow morning we would be already at house.
Yes, that's only the advantage. But let's see. But for now, guys, we are gonna rest at Kajal Foy's house. They prepared for food for us daw. And then we'll sleep there. And then around 11 o'clock is our train right now. Tomorrow, 11 o'clock
So
ng
you can rest
umaga.
also.
We'll be catching the train. 5 hours train. And then they will pick us along the way. 2 hours na.
Yes.
So, they will pick us in Baruch. So, ayun. Tok Milan is already sleepy. Even I am very sleepy. I am tired.
You look very pretty, Len. I don't know why.
So, ayan guys. I'll see you later. I'll update you kapag meron na kaming sundo. Guys, so sobrang daming nagtatanong sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung naging sitwasyon ko and kung bakit naka-wheelchair nga ako sa pagpunta namin dito sa India. So, ganito kasi yan guys. Nung nagpa-check up ako sa Philippines, sinabi nila sa akin na mababa nga yung matris ko and kailangan ko nga daw na huwag maggalaw-galaw and bawal nga daw sa akin yung laging nakatayo and yung maglakad-lakad. So, sabi ni Dr. Baisa, daw ako, ang tawag doon, sobrang pag-iingat daw yung kailangan kong gawin guys. Dahil medyo may problema nga daw yung matris ko. Pero, malusog naman yung bata. Ang iniiwasan lang daw natin is duguin ako. So, nag-recommend siya sa akin and naglista siya sa akin. Hindi ko pa ma-detect and hindi pa namin ma-determine kung confirm na ba siya. Pero, sasabihin ko sa inyo kapag confirm na. Pero, yun lang yung sinasabi niya sa amin. Mag-iingat muna kami kasi iniiwasan nga namin na dumugo daw ako. So, kung napansin nyo kanina, naka-wheelchair ako guys. So, mula Philippines hanggang Singapore, hindi ako pinaglakad ni Milan. Kasi, naka-wheelchair assistance ako. So, meron din palang kapag naka-wheelchair ka, meron din palang perks kasi makakat mo yung line kasi nga priority ka, diba? Pero medyo nakakahiya lang. Kasi ako lang yung bata sa lahat ng mga naka-wheelchair na tinutulak. Ang sabi ko nga kay Milan, wag na nga niya akong ilagay sa wheelchair kasi nahihiya nga ako. Pero ang sabi niya, pinilit talaga, pati yung mother ko and father ko tsaka yung mga kapatid ko. Sabi nila na kailangan ko nga daw yun kasi nga baka matagtag ako sa paglalakad kasi napakalaki ng airport, diba? So, kailangan ng napakahabang paglalakad. So, ayun, nakatulong yung wheelchair talaga sa akin mula Philippines hanggang Singapore. So, pagkarating namin ng Singapore, meron kaming 5 hours na layover. So, dahil medyo malapit-lapit lang naman yung mga station doon and hindi naman malayo yung terminal namin, naglakad na ako ng konti doon and hindi na ako nagpa-wheelchair assistance pa doon. Kasi nga, meron nga kaming 5 hours na layover. So, ayun, nakaupo nga ako dun sa snooze lounge. naghintay kami ni Milan doon ng mga 10 to 15 minutes hanggang sa meron ngang umalis dun sa snooze lounge. So, natulog lang ako doon. And naging smooth naman din yung Singapore na layover namin hanggang sa dumating kami ng Mumbai. Pagdating namin ng Mumbai, sobrang haba ng linya, guys. And nagpa-wheelchair assistance din ako doon. Kasi kung malaki yung Philippines, kung malaki yung Singapore Airport, yung line naman ng mga Indians, sobrang haba. So, sa immigration pa lamang, sa pag-check, nagka-ano na kami doon, nagka-priority na kami kasi nga naka-wheelchair ako. And then, binabalang ako doon sa may inuupuan para doon na lang namin hintayin yung service. And then, after siguro ng 10 minutes na paghihintay, dumating din si Kajal Foy, which is yung tita ni Milan na nakatira sa Mumbai. So, doon kami natulog for the night. So, yun yung nangyari. Natulog kami for the night doon. And then, the next day, kailangan namin kumuha sumakay ng train. Actually, ngayon guys, sinasabi ko yun, nasa bahay na ako. Pero bukas, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung pagkikita namin ng mother-in-law ko and father-in-law ko, tsaka si Janu. So, abangan nyo na lang yun. Pero gusto ko lang linawin sa inyo kung ano ba yung sitwasyon ko and kung ano ba yung nangyari, bakit ako naka-wheelchair. So, ayun. Dinadiagnose pa ako kung tataas ba yung matris ko or hindi. Pero hopefully, tumaas pa siya. And yun nga yung sinasuggest ng doctor sa akin na magpahinga, huwag maggalaw-galaw, and tingnan natin next month. Tapos, magpapa-check up tayo. So, ayun guys. Tapos, ano ba? Natulog lang kami dun sa bahay ni Kajal Foy, nagpahinga. And then, after nun, kinabukasan, lumarga na kami para pumunta dito sa bahay namin. So, advance itong ginawa ko since ine-edit ko nga. And I think I have to explain kung ano ba yung nangyayari sa akin sa inyo para maintindihan nyo yung flow ng story. So, ayun. Panoorin yung mga video. Sobrang saya ng pagkikita namin ni mother-in-law and father-in-law. So, ayun. So, bye-bye guys sa mga vlogs namin. Thank you all for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow.